So you're probably wondering why I've got this text message up, but I just want to make a quick video to make y'all understand something. I understand you want to hop on a phone call with me. Trust me, I get that. But we're not going to break any laws, any rules, or any regulations of credit repair just to make you happy or just so I can make $149. So I just want to make that clear. A lot of you are scared to sign up because I won't hop on the phone with you. Again, I get it, I do, but here's the thing that you don't understand. So scammers love to get on a phone call with you. Do you know why? Because that gives them the opportunity to lie to you and tell you what you want to hear, so you will pay them. That is something that we will never do here at Everything Credit. We're not going to tell you what you want to hear just so you will sign up for our services, and we're not going to tell you what you want to hear just so you will send us money. We work with attorneys, and these attorneys hold us accountable as well. So if I'm doing something illegal or breaking a law, they're going to drop me like a fly. And I'm not going to risk that over $149 sign-up fee or making a consumer happy. If I get on a phone call with you, it's not going to change anything I'm doing. Unless you're a victim of identity theft, it's not going to change anything. Our dispute process is the same no matter what. No matter what your story is of why your credit's bad, our dispute process is the same. Our attorneys are not going to change anything unless you are a victim of identity theft. So please don't think this is me, ranting or complaining. I don't care who you sign up with. I want you to sign up with who you feel comfortable signing up with. And if that's some scammer in Vietnam that's willing to hop on a phone call with you and butter you up, it's your money. You do what you want to do with your money. I do what I want to do with mine, right? But anyway, I just wanted to make that clear with y'all. We're not going to break any laws, any rules, any regulations for credit repair for any consumer. I'm not going to risk getting shut down, sued, and lose my amazing attorneys that work with us. But if y'all do have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.